Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Scenario, a powerful tool that uses AI to generate high-quality game assets in seconds. If you're a game developer tired of repetitive tasks or struggling to find the perfect art style, Scenario can be a game changer. It lets you create unique characters, environments, props, and more, all while maintaining complete creative control. Here's a breakdown of what Scenario offers. Train your own AI art style. Imagine having an AI assistant that perfectly understands your game's visual identity. Scenario lets you do just that. By feeding it a set of reference images, you can train a custom AI model that generates assets that perfectly match your style. Unmatched creative control. Scenario isn't just about random generation. You have a ton of control over the process. Use text prompts to describe exactly what you want and fine-tune the results with advanced features like composition control and pixel-perfect inputting. Streamline your workflow. Scenario can save you countless hours throughout your development process. Generate concept art in a flash, iterate on designs quickly, and even create marketing materials with ease. Seamless integration. The Scenario Gen AI engine integrates with various tools and platforms. Use it directly in the Scenario web app or mobile apps, or plug it into your favorite design software or game engine like Unity. See Scenario in action. Scenario offers a wide range of asset creation possibilities. From whimsical anime landscapes to 3D fantasy characters, isometric strategy tiles, and more, the potential is truly limitless.